within the upcoming market of electric vehicle chargers. Our client was looking to design their new generation home charging. Together we helped them to develop their new product of their future charging station family. In this project, we helped our customer to produce the housing parts of the vehicle charger. It includes the cover parts, plug holder and lens. To take down the manual inserts which are stick to the part tightly, we designed and built some very practical tools. It raised our working efficiency significantly.